So I'm here at the park, it's not quite as windy today, and I've got the speed meter strapped to the car now. It's on 4S, I don't know if you can see through there, and I've had to put the old motor back in. So we're back to the 1700 kV motor, and I'm running 1552 gearing, so a 15 tooth pinion gear and a 52 tooth spur gear, which you can't really see very well through there because it's a bit reflective, but I'm going to do a speed run anyway. I've got a 6S battery as well, but I just drove here on the 4S, so I'm going to try that first. So let's see what it does. Right, let's see what the top speed is. 35. So I've just had a quick run with the new setup on 4S. As you can see, the temperatures aren't too bad. About 70 degrees Celsius, that's on 4S. Obviously once we're on 6 it'll get a bit hotter. So we're running the 15 tooth pinion and the 52 tooth spur rather than a 1648 which I was running on the 4092. So I'm going to do 6S next. It did 35 mile an hour on the 4S. So on 6S it's geared to about 57 rather than just over 60 now like it was before. So it should be a bit slower than the other day. The other day I got 56. But the other thing is I've rebuilt the centre diff, and the centre diff has got brand new fluid in it now, so it should be a bit tighter and hopefully won't let the front wheels balloon as much. This motor does have quite a bit more torque with this lower gearing, I can definitely tell, so that's quite good. But obviously it's not got as much torque as the 4092, so it's not the most exciting. I would like a bit more speed, which obviously I'll get once I go to the 4092, but anyway, I'm going to let the motor cool down to about 30 degrees and then I'm going to run 6S and see what it can do speed wise. So I've got this 6S battery in now, as you can probably see there, and I've got the speed meter taped on the back. Hopefully it won't do a wheelie, and we'll see what happens on 6S. It's working. It is. Start. Right, let's see what we got. .53 miles an hour, so not too bad at all, to be fair. Pretty quick, not much slower than it was before. I think it's geared to 57, so we are losing a bit of power through the front wheels, but the centre diff has definitely helped because we're geared a lot slower. Yeah, the speed is still pretty good. Hello, so I'm back in the woods with a Hyper ST, driving again. It's about 8 PM in the evening, so nobody here. It's very dusty and dry, as you can see. Did some work on the jump last weekend and I haven't actually been back since then, so I'll just show you what I've done. So I actually made this rock face here, put all this dirt on top. From sort of there upwards is what I've put on top. Unfortunately the bit on the down ramp has worn off already, so some kid's obviously been on it on his bike, which is fine. Got the dirt from over there, you can see the dust hanging around in the air. You can see as well it's been really windy this week, so there's loads of leaves and stuff everywhere, which make it good for drifting around, I guess. But I keep getting sticks stuck everywhere, so it sounds a bit funny. So yeah, anyway, I brought the tripod today because I was not driving very well one-handed, as you can see now. So I'm going to stick you on the tripod. hopefully somewhere where you can see the jump, and I'm going to try and do some jumps